SiteNinja makes adding images to a page easy. All images in SiteNinja are attached to the page. So first you create the page like we did with web design. You'll see a column over here titled Images. Every page has its own image gallery associated with the page. So let's add our first image. SiteNinja requires you to meet current web standards, and Google wants you to adhere to these standards, so it's important. That's why we make alt title a required field. This is the text that shows up sometimes when you hover over an image, just like that SiteNinja demo. So we're going to add that alt text. Caption is the text that shows up under the image. As you move the image around the page, the caption will go with it. Description field for now we're going to leave blank. That's only if you have the image gallery system. And we're going to browse to find our page. So I've got an image selected. Save that image. It's making 6 copies of that image right now, and it's going to allow us to place one of 4 of those copies anywhere we want to within the site. I'm going to go ahead and add another image just to show you how this works as an image gallery. Alright, we'll upload that image. So now we have 2 images on the page. Just like pages, images are drag and drop, and it does make a difference what order you have. Whatever the first image is your lead image for the page. So now let's go back and apply these images to the page. There are multiple methods of applying images to pages. Now, earlier when we first created the page, this image option wasn't here because there were no images attached to the page, but now that we have images, we start to see options. One of the things we can do is add a slideshow of this image to the page. I'm just going to paste that there. If we also want to try another method of image, we can place what's called an image box on the page. So I'll copy that, place that there. Let's see what we've got. We can also place individual images on the page. So all the images that are attached to the page are going to show up in this list. So you can see those 4 images I spoke about. Let's just take the medium-sized version of that image and we'll place that on the page. So we've got some good variety of images to take a look at. Save the page, run back out to the public site. Take a look at our web design page. First thing we want to see at the very top is the slideshow. So it's about 3 seconds between each one of the slides. So go back and forth. If you click on an image, it'll quickly go there. Let's scroll down the page. Here's an example of an image box. So what happens automatically, this image box snaps itself to the right side of the page. You see that alt text show up, so it's optimized for the search engines. You also can see the caption underneath, and when we click on either one of these images, we get a full-size preview of that image in the browser window. So it makes a nice, rich experience for the user of the site. So we encourage you, when you upload images, to upload images that are at least 800 pixels wide or 800 pixels high, but don't go over that. It makes popping up of the images faster if you stay at that 800 pixel or around that level. If we scroll down the page, here's a picture or an example of an individual image. This is the medium-size image. Click on that. We're going to get that pop-up window. And those are the examples of how to upload and place images on a page.